Hello friends, today we will learn how to create restaurant-free food menu and online ordering in WordPress website. Firstly, go to the plugins to add new plugin. Then in the search key box, type food menu powered by Radius theme, a simple food and restaurant menu display plugin for restaurant, cafe, fast food, etc. with the WooCommerce online ordering. So install and activate this plugin. We need to install Food Menu Pro and the free version for this premium feature. Now go to the food menu, then settings. This is the interface of it. According to the general settings, select your food menu type as food menu post for the custom post. Then save your changes. Now go to the categories. To create a new category, provide the title as launch items, then save it. Here it is. Now click on add food and here provide the food title as your desired food. Then write a description of it. Now according to the food data settings, select your food menu type and set the regular price and stock status. Then set the product category. Choose and select a product image of yourself. And lastly, click on publish to save it. Now click on view post to visit our customization what we have made so far. Alright, now go to the settings and this is the interface of it. Select the food menu type. The food menu custom post type can be sourced from the food menu post, but it doesn't include an online ordering system. Online ordering functionality is sourced from WooCommerce products. It will help users to use add to cart button. So select wisely what you actually need. Now save your changes. After that, go to the plugins to add new plugin. In the search box, type WooCommerce and then install and activate it. Here it is. Now go to the products and then add new product. Provide a new title of it and then write a description. For the product data settings, set your regular and sale price and again provide a short description of it. Now choose the categories as fast food and then provide a product image of yourself that suits your product. Finally, click on publish to save all of your customization. Now click on view product to see your customization. Now we will create a page. Go to the page to add new page. For creating a food menu, provide the title as food menu, then click on publish to save this. Now click on the top to edit with Elementor and this is the interface of it. Firstly, we will drag heading to drop it here for our first customization. You can provide your title here as grid by category layout and customize its typography as size. In the next, if you want, you can customize its color for the text from this color picker. Now go to the advanced. You can customize the margin and padding from here. Now drag and drop grid by category layouts here. You will get several layouts and preview each one by one to select the perfect one that suits your taste. Now go to the column. You can select the number of columns to show per page. Now for the query, select an option to include food menu. If you only want to display your food menu, then select food menu option. Go to the backend and see the result here. Or if you want online ordering system to set add to cart option, then select product WooCommerce. It will allow users to use this option. Here it is. This is the categories. You can select your category from this given option. You can select either lunch items or fast food. Now you can state your order by as date, price, name, ID or etc. Now go to the settings. For the content visibility, you will get some several field options. Show or hide by enabling or disabling this button. For example, if you enable show excerpt, it will look like that. Same for the read more button. And if you disable these options, it will not appear anymore. Now go to the details page to enable or disable these options for linking the detail page. Now select your image size according to your needs. If you want, you can also enable details page to switch on to enable pop-up to detail page. For the content limit, you can set your limits for the short content text. Here is the difference. Now go to the style for the further customization like global style. You can customize the background color and set your border type from this given criteria. Not only that, you can also customize the border radius, padding, and the margin also. If you further want, you can also change the border color again from this color picker. Now go to the category. Similar customization is applicable for this like color. You can choose your color from this color picker along with the background color. Now go to the title. You can customize its typography like size. You can increase or decrease your font size and also the weight. Now go to the price. Again, similar color customization is applicable for this. If you further want, you can customize its size from the typography. Now go to the excerpt, customize the color if you want. Then go to the image. You can customize your border radius from here. Then go to the add to cart button. Same process like previous. In the next, drag the heading and drop it here. According to the advanced, you can set the margin and padding. Also, you can customize and set your heading title. Then go to the style and set your alignment and the typography. You can customize its text color from this color picker. Now drag slider layouts for the next. You will get 4 different pre-made layouts for this. Preview it one by one and select any one from here. Now go to the column. Set your column numbers to show your post in per page. Then go to the query. Again select the include food menu as food menu or the product WooCommerce. Now go to the settings for the content visibility. You can enable or disable this option to show or hide in your page. For example, add to cart button. In the next, slider settings. If you want, you can turn on or off the infinite loop option, navigation arrows, dot pagination, auto hide, and etc. Next, go to the details page. You can enable or disable details page to pop up. For the content limit, you can set the limitation for the short content text. In the next, again, select heading to drag and drop it here. According to the advanced, you can customize the margin, padding, and etc. Now go to the heading to set the title as list layout. Then move to the style for its alignment customization and the typography. You can set the text color according to your preference from this color picker. Now in the next, drag list layout and drop it here. Like previous, you will get several pre-made home pages to preview each one by one, and then you can select any one from this given option. Next, go to the columns, select the column number. Next, in the query, again, if you want the online ordering system to set add to cart option, then select WooCommerce. And the next, go to the pagination. You can enable or disable pagination option. Set the number of food menu to show in the per page. Then set your pagination type from this option. Go to the settings. Like previous, you will get several field options for your content visibility. You can select any one to show or hide by enabling or disabling this. Go to the content limit and set the limitation for the short content text. Now move to the style. From here, you can customize the margin of it. While done, click on Publish to save this. Now let's visit it to see our customization. Here, this is our grid by category layout. And this is the slider layouts. And lastly, we are watching the list layout of it. Let's click on it to see the add to cart. Now click on view cart to visit it. Here, this is our cart page. Now click on proceed to checkout. And this is our checkout page. Let's go to the food menu plugins again and then settings. Now click on mini cart to enable this option. After that, click on tipping to enable tip or donation option at checkout and cart. While enabling this, now you are able to add it here. Set your tip amount and then add it. Finally, our order invoice is showing the amount of our tip. For the pickup option, go to the settings. From here, you can enable pickup and pickup time. And for the delivery settings, while enabling, it will allow users to pick up their desired food. So select your order type as pickup, then save your changes. Now back to the checkout page and reload this. Here it is. And if you want both pickup and delivery together, then select your order type as both. In that case, delivery man will send the food item to you. And back to the checkout page again, reload this and see the changes here. And this is how you can easily create restaurant food menu and online ordering in WordPress website. Thank you for watching.